Hello students, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you rationalization of surds. Rationalization of surds. Now let's take a question. This is very easy and very interesting. Please focus. Let's take a question. The question is, if x is equals to 1 minus root 2, then find the value of find the value of x minus 1 by x whole to the power 4. Now this type of questions are very important for exams. So this type of questions usually comes. So it will be better if you focus what we are doing here. Now I know the value of x. It is given so nicely, 1 minus root 2. But here is an 1 by x. But I don't know the value of 1 by x. Let's find out. So 1 by x will obviously 1 by 1 minus root 2. Now, as I said, we cannot keep this type of terms in the denominator. We have to rationalize them. What is the rule of rationalization? Yes, you guessed it correctly. Multiply the top number and the bottom number with the conjugate. See, in this case, here it was given, it was minus. So I took plus. Again, multiplication a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. And on top 1 into, that means simply this. Now here you will get a jhamela because it is written s square minus b square. Actually 2 is bigger than 1. Root 2 is bigger than 1, so answer will be negative. But please don't get scared. This is how it's supposed to come. 1 minus 2. And 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Instead of this minus 1, if it goes up, all the terms will become minus. So it will become minus 1 minus root 2. I hope this is clear. This is the value of x and this is the value of 1 by x. Now let's find the value of x minus 1 by 4. X minus 1 by x whole to the power, x minus 1 by x whole to the power 4. Now what is the value of x? 1 minus root 2. In this side there is a minus. So this minus will now become, so let me give you a curly bracket. Let me put a curly bracket so that none of you will get confused. This is a tricky question, but very easy. Again, whole square, 1 minus root 2, minus minus will become plus, 1 minus minus will become plus, then root 2, whole to the power 4. Plus minus cancel, 1 plus 1 is 2, whole to the power 4. 2 whole to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 4s are 16. Answer is 16. Now, so the answer is 16. Now let's take another question. Now let's take a difficult question this time. Question is, if x is equals to 5 minus 2 root 6, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Same technique. Value of x is given 5. Value of x is given 5 minus 2 root 6. Then find the value of 1 by x, because in here you need 1 by x. Find the value of 1 by x. So 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6 is equals to, rationalize them, multiply with the opposite sign, that is conjugate. So write this number first, multiply the top number and the bottom number with the conjugate. Next, a minus b into a plus b. Then top number is like this, same, no changes. Now this 2, if I multiply, it will become a square minus b square. So 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Now what is the value of 2 root 6 whole square? 2 root 6 into 2 root 6 is equals to 4 multiplied by 6, which is 24. So in the bottom number will become 5 2 root 6 is 25 minus 24, which is equals to 5 plus 2 root 6 only. Now I am going to use this. Now I am going to solve this problem in next page because I don't have space here. So in the question it was asked x square plus 1 by x square. Now let's put it in a plus b whole square, a square plus b square formula. Now let's recall a square plus b square formula. The formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or you can take a minus b, sorry, a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, or you can take a minus b whole square plus 2ab. You can choose any one. I'm going to choose the first one. The first one if I choose, so this is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, because this is a, this is b. Now see, x into 1 by x, this 2 will be cancelled. This value I'm going to use 5 minus 2 root 6, and 1 by x is 5 plus, sorry, let me check quickly. Sorry for the inconvenience. The value is, the first one is minus, and this value is 5 plus 2 root 6. So first this one will be 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 2. Now again these two numbers are cancelled. So this is 5 plus 5, which is 10 whole square minus 2. 10 whole square is 100. Everyone knows that. Minus 2 is equals to 98. This is your answer. So if you did not understand a certain portion of this video, please pause the video and watch again, and make sure you note down this formula. This formula is very useful in this chapter according to, and as well as this formula, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. These two formulas you will be using most of the times in this chapter. Thank you.